Good afternoon or morning or whatever. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coaster that looks like this. It's simple once you get the hang of it. This is better. So what you're gonna need is scissors, a ruler, a brush like this. You can also get like an actual macrame brush, but I just have this. Macrame string. That whole thing won't fit. Is you're gonna cut a 5-foot cord, which is what you're gonna start with, and 5 30-inch cords. So you're gonna cut a 5-foot cord and 5 30-inch cords. I'll just write that so it's not as confusing and you pause it. Okay, you're gonna fold it like this. This is your 5-foot cord, and you're gonna take each of your 30-inch cords and you're going to tie it like this. You're going to put it under, and then you're going to pull the 2 of them through and tighten it. But you just line all of them up. Do the exact same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're done, you're going to pull the long cord all the way in. The longer side, not the shorter side. It's like a circle. Okay, here's a few tips before we start. So always make sure that you keep this one pulled straight, and this one is always on top. So you're gonna take this one, by this one I mean the longest one, the 5-foot cord. You're always gonna have this one in your hand. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your long string, put it over your short string, and then kind of make like a backwards 4, put it over like this, and then pull it, and make sure that you keep your long one tight, and you're just going to do that again. You just put this one over, under, and then pull it tighter. And you do that for every string. But make sure that you keep your long one as your lead string, so you always have it pulled tight. So I'm going to do it slow one more time. So you put this one over, put this one like that, and take it under, pull it tight, and then you do that again. So you kind of like, you make a 4 kind of, but I always keep my hand on this, and I feel like that will help a lot of people. Now I'm going to do it all the way around, and I'll show you what to do when it's done. So once you've gone all the way around, you'll notice that there is like a big gap right here, and that's not good. So what you're going to need to do is cut a 26-inch cord, and you're going to do that every time that there is a big gap like that. So that way, because if you don't, it will pull it like tight, and then it will bunch up, and then it won't be flat. So do here's my 26-inch cord. And you're gonna like fold it in half like this. Oops, hang on. And then you're going to take your lead cord, like your longest cord, and you're gonna tie it around like you did the first 5, like this. This tie isn't that hard. I'll show some of the other ones again to anyone who's confused. Once you get the hang of it though, you can like go super fast. So you take the cord, oops, this cord. You put it over and under. Over and under. And if you always keep this one in your hand, it should be okay. And you're gonna want to cut a cord like that. See, there's already another one that I have to cut. Every time that you have a gap, and it's usually like a lot in the first couple of rings. So there's another one. You put it on, pull it tight, 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 tight. And then you're just going to tie it on again. So basically all you have to do is just keep going every time there's like a gap. Just make sure to add some string so that way it doesn't get all bunched up. And that's basically all you need to know. I will catch you at the end. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna trim all the edges like I said, and then, or like I already did, and then you're just going to take the brushes, or your brush, and comb it out. Once you're finished, you're going to trim all the edges to make it a perfect circle, and then you're all finished. Enjoy.